educators, welcome to the Student Alliance community. Now, most of the teachers and people who are using the panel have always asked this thing, can I use my USB? How to use an access? Very simple. Just take your USB, right? Just plug it here, and as soon as the plug-in option is done, you will directly get it here. You can directly open your USB, or if you go on home, you have your USB here. Now, why we've kept this customization is because every time you want to open USB, go to the finder, there you find a USB, double click it. Now it's as simple as that. You just click on this, you have all your files, and anything that you open will directly come onto the option. Hope that makes your life more easier. Thank you so much.